Air, air everywhere. Already we will discuss previous class air everywhere. Yes, air is all around us. Okay, we cannot see, we cannot touch air. We can feel it. We can feel it air, and peoples, animals, and plants need air to live. Okay, there can be no life without air. There can be no life without air. Yes, and air contains also. Previous class we will discuss water vapor, smoke, dust, and germs. These are the air contents. Yes, next today we will discuss breathe fresh air. Breathe fresh air. Breathe fresh air. Okay, here say children, breathe impure air. Breathe impure air is not good for our health. Breathe impure air is not good for our health. Good for our health. This air, this impure air can make sick, can make us sick. Today we will discuss breathe fresh air. Breathe impure air is not good for our health. Impure air can make us sick. Okay, we must breathe clean and fresh air. Clean and fresh air. Breathe fresh air. Breathe impure air is not good for our health. Impure air can make us sick. Must and should breathe fresh air, fresh and clean air. And plants make the air clean and fresh. The air clean and fresh. Okay, the plants make the air clean and fresh. We should grow green plants. We should grow green plants. We must and should grow green plants. Plants make the air clean and fresh. We should grow green plants where we live. We should grow green plants where we live. We should keep doors. We should keep doors and windows open to let in fresh air. Open to let in fresh air. Let in fresh air. We should not. Next point, we should not cover our face when we sleep. Okay, and we should play open places. We should play in open places. Can you understand, children? Breathe fresh air. Subtopic, breathe fresh air. Breathe impure air is not good for our health, and impure air can make us sick. And breathe clean and fresh air. Plants make the air clean and fresh. Plants make the air clean and fresh. We should grow green plants. We should grow green plants where we live. We should keep doors and windows open to let in fresh air. We should doors and windows open to let in fresh air. Next, we should not cover our face when we sleep. We should not cover our face when we sleep. We should play in open places. We should play in open places. These are the breathe fresh air points. Only breathe fresh air and clean air, and make plants make fresh and clean air. We should play open places. We should not cover, must and should not cover our face when we sleep. Okay. Next, moving air. Moving air. Okay. Moving air is called breeze. Moving air is called as breeze. And when the air moves very fast, when the air moves very fast, it is wind. It is wind. Moving air is called breeze. When the air moves very fast, it is a wind. It is a wind. Next, a strong wind. A strong wind can blow away things like cloths, paper, loose soil. Okay. The strong wind can blow away things like cloths, paper and loose soil away from air. Okay. Next, the wind can move things. Here see children, when the wind blows, the leaves of trees move. The wind dries clothes on clothes line. The wind also carries seeds. The wind also carries seeds of the plants to new places. Okay, this way the new plants get more space to grow. This way the new plants get more space to grow. The wind makes a sailboat move on water. Sometimes the wind blows fast and strong. Sometimes the wind blow fast and strong. It's cause storm. Storms can causes houses, damage houses. Storm cause damage houses, crops, trees and animals. Can you understand, children? The wind can move things. Seeds of the plants are to move new places. This way the new plants get more space to grow. The wind makes soil boat move on water. Sometimes the wind blow fast and strong. It's cause storm. This storm damage houses, crops, trees and animals. Okay. Look at the picture, children. Here. Look at the picture. Okay. Storms can damage houses, crops, trees and animals. Yes. Next, here see children. Look at the picture. This is a weathercock. It is a weathercock. It is a fixed high up on a building. The beak of the cock shows us the direction in which the wind blows. You can also tell which way the wind is blowing by holding up a ribbon. The direction in which the ribbon flutters shows the direction of the wind. Can you understand? You can take one ribbon, you can keep that ribbon blowing by holding up a ribbon. The direction in which the ribbon flutters show the direction of the wind. ఆ రబ్బన్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, డైరెక్షన్, ఎయిర్ ఎటు బ్లో అవుతుందో ద డైరెక్షన్ చూస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ వెదర్ కాక్. హియర్ సీ లెట్ us say it again. Peoples, animals and plants need air to live. Air also contains water vapor, smoke, dust and germs. We must breathe in clean and fresh air for good health. Moving air is called breeze. Fast and strong winds can cause a storm. Storms cause damage to houses, crops, trees and animals. The weathercock shows us the direction in which the wind blows. ఈ weathercock ఏం చేస్తుందన్నా, డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద విండ్ బ్లో, విండ్ ఎటు వెళ్తుంది, ఎయిర్ ఎటు వెళ్తుంది అనేది డైరెక్షన్ని చూపిస్తుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ వెదర్ కాక్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, కెన్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్? యూ కెన్ రీడ్ పేజ్ నెంబర్ 69, 70 and the weathercock part. Okay, thank you.